Everyone, welcome to Joe Duffy BMW. My name is Tomas. With me today I have a beautiful BMW 330 plug-in hybrid with a beautiful fire red. When we come to the side we can see our 18-inch diamond cut M Sport alloys, as well as when we turn onto the front we can see our BMW adaptive LED headlights, as well as the parking sensors, our kidney rims wheels, as well as we come to the side we can see our eye black trims on the roof as well as on the doors. And on the back windows we have privacy windows at the front as well as the very back, as well as on the boot we have automatic open and close functions with plenty of space on this beautiful touring. Plenty of space here as well as here with the first aid kit. This boot also automatically closes, and now as we head towards the front we have these beautiful Alcantara finishing seats, as well as the M Sport steering wheel, as well as on the steering wheel we can control our cruise control, media settings. When you head towards the front we have this beautiful M Sport, as well as here on the middle we have all the navigation, the media, and as well this car comes with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. When you head towards the middle we have some beautiful finishing with cup holders, a place to put the phone. Here we can control the media, map, telephone, navigation. Here we have all the sports, hybrid or electric functions, as well as plenty of space here as well, with space to charge the phone, space there, and here where you can control our automatic mirrors. This beautiful touring also comes with ISOFIX on both seats, as well as the Alcantara finish, plenty of leg room space, as well as some climate controls and some place to charge your phone. This car also comes with plenty of storage space here on the doors, as well as armrest. That's it for everything. Thank you so much. If you have any questions or queries, please feel free to reach out to us. All of our BMW approved used cars come with the standard 2-year warranty. My name is Tomas from Joe Duffy BMW. If you have any help, just feel free to contact us. Have a nice day. Thank you so much.